Hey, what's up everybody? This is Bala here and today welcome to another episode of Bilbo Tech. We are having a brand new... Oh, wait. User manager next. Watch this first. So we are having a brand new smartwatch with us. So without any further time, let's get straight into the video and let's see what is the smartwatch and what is the price. And before getting into the video, don't forget to subscribe to Bilbo Tech and click the bell icon next to it so you don't miss any updates from Bilbo Tech. So without any further time, let's get straight into the video. So let's get into the unboxing of this. So opening up this, we have a user manual, lengthy user manual of different shades. So this is a lengthy one and this contains all the required information before you use this watch. Then moving up, there is steps how to begin this, and there is a quick one with step count, awesome template, and receive notifications, make calls and change face, and heart rate sensor. And again we are having another warranty card. In this warranty card, it's given 6 months warranty. This is available in retail and online also. In retail there are a lot of stores available. Whatever stores available, we'll list it down in the description box, and it's also available on Flipkart and Amazon.in. So let's get into the box directly. Now we have this charging cable. Moving up to the box itself, we are having the silicone variant of this watch, and else than this we have another variant also. This is a leather variant of this watch. So we have two variants with us. One is a leather and one is a silicone one. So there's two watches. So coming to the watch itself, let's get into the watch first. This is the watch, and we are having the speaker here, and we are having this microphone over here, and this is the heart rate sensor, and this is the magnetic pin. So this is the magnetic pin. When we click it again, so it connects just like that. So there is no problem of pinning it or pinning out. So this is the smartwatch. This is a single time button which has press and press out, press. This works on the press only. And having this watch face long press, we can change the watch faces. So just like this, we can change a lot of watch faces also. Getting to the main menu. So we are having multiple options over in this menu. Let's start with this menu. We have phone book, dialer, message, call logs, and notifications, find device, calendar, and Bluetooth, and alarm, pedometer, and sleep monitor, Siri, Google Assistant, heart rate, and sedentary reminder, voice note, and energy mode, and theme changer, settings, and sport mode. So these are the menu options available in this. As I said, they are given a quick start guide where they are given the installing app for this watch. So one is Fundo Pro app for Android and iOS, and for Android they have their own Watchout wearables app, and they have a MediaTek device also. Let's scan the Fundo Pro app and let's get it installed. So we got it. Let's go to the Play Store and install it. Now we have the watch connected with this. Now, as I said, this have a feature of having default music player also. So we have an option of controlling music sound also, BT music. This is max volume. This is the audio test of this watch. Now, as I said, this having another feature of calling from this watch itself. Now, let's call someone else. Hello. Yeah, hello bro, this is Bala here. Bro, I'm calling from a new watch known as Watchout Wearable. Is the voice audible? Clear? Is my voice crispy and clear?
Yeah, I can hear.
Yeah, okay bro, fine. Thank you. Bye. As you guys heard, we did this thing, and we have an option of dialer also. We have option of seeing the call logs also. and we have option of Bluetooth camera also. This is the watch, and we are having a heart rate sensor also, having a default calculator, and we can change the themes. And in settings we have a lot of options, and this watch is costing around 6,000 rupees on Amazon.in and Flipkart. You can go to retail outlets and you can feel it also, and you can purchase it. The final review of this watch, what I would say is this is one of the best watch under 6,000 rupees, because while you're going for the traditional analog watches, it does not give you much look. It gives look, but we can't change the look of it. But in this, we can change the look of the watches easily. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment which part of this video you liked in this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Bilbo Tech and click the bell icon next to it so you don't miss any updates from Bilbo Tech. Bala signing off. I'll see you in the next video.